The easier it is for you to trust people, the easier it becomes for you to get hurt. Intelligent people are more forgetful than those with average intelligence. A study found that surgeons who play video games like PUBG make fewer mistakes in surgery. The human mind can only maintain complete trust once for each person. Once broken, it's never the same. Psychology says, you never really stop loving someone, you either never did or always will. Most humans display hindsight bias, the tendency to claim that they had predicted an outcome before the event occurred. Never make someone a priority when all you are to them is an option. Your mind rewrites monotonous speech of boring people to make it sound more interesting. Fear can feel good if we are not really in danger. That's why a lot of people enjoy scary movies. Try to make 3 people smile each day. It's the easiest way to improve your confidence and make the world a better place. Listen carefully to how a person speaks about other people to you. This is exactly how they will speak about you to other people. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Babies tend to look more at attractive faces and less at unattractive faces. Wanna get some attention? Stop chasing that person and start ignoring him. He'll shower you with attention. Life is short, time is fast. No replay, no rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes. Train your boundaries to be stronger than your empathy and feelings. Takers have no limits. Your boundaries are their limits. Validate the words of someone by just looking into their eyes. Mostly while telling a lie, they tend to look away from you and smile more often than needed. Owning a pet is linked to having better cognitive health in advanced age, study finds. Life is most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. Never compare yourself to someone else. People with creative minds tend to have a harder time falling asleep at night. They prefer to stay up later. Learn to let go. That is the key to happiness. Consistency is harder when no one is clapping for you. You must clap for yourself during those times. You should always be your biggest fan. Pay attention to how people act when you're not on good terms. The fewer friends a person has, the more he has the time to be alone with himself and the happier they feel. Men are not funnier than women. They just make more jokes, not caring whether other people like their humor or not. Psychology says, people place their phone face down in the company of their significant other when they're being unfaithful. Smile in every situation because no one cares whether you cry, die or fly high.